Average if function finds the average for the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. This function has three arguments. In range argument, select the range of cells that you want evaluated. In criteria range argument, test the condition or criteria. In the form of a number, expression, or text that defines which cells will be used to find the average. In average range argument, select the cell references range that are the actual cells to be used to find the average. If you leave blank this argument, the cells are selected in range argument are used. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, test the conditions. Enter greater than sign. Type 10,000. Leave blank this argument. How this formula works? Average if function will find the average of those cells that satisfy a test condition in criteria box. From this range, there are three cells that have values greater than 10,000. Average function will find the average of these three cells. Click OK. Function returns the result of these three cells in this cell. It finds the average of these three cells and returns the result in this cell. Now I test second test condition in this cell. Press delete key. Click more functions arrow button. Click average if function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. Enter less than sign. Type 5,000. Click OK. Function returns divisor 0 error value because no criteria meets in this cell references range. No any cell has value less than 5,000. Active this cell. Click more functions arrow button. Click average if function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, enter greater than sign. Type 10,000. Press tab key. In average range box, select this cell references range. How this formula works? In this cell references range, those cells have values greater than 10,000. Function will find the average of its corresponding cells in this range. Click OK. Function returns the result in this cell. The average of this cell, and this cell is 3,291.67 dollars. Now active this cell. Click more functions arrow button. Click average if function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, test the condition. Type store name UX or click this cell reference. Press tab key. In average range box, select this cell references range. These three store names have name UX and average if function will find the average value of its corresponding cells. Click OK. Average if function returns the average value of these three cells, $13,751.11. Active this cell. Click more functions arrow button. Click average if function. In range box, select this cell references range. Press tab key. In criteria box, test the condition. Enter asterisk sign or multiplication operator. Type uppercase letter A. By using this sign, function will find the average value of store that has last name A. Press tab key. In average range box, select this cell references range. Click OK. Only two store names have last name A. So average if function finds the average value of these two cells of its corresponding values and returns $1,335.39 in this cell. In this way, average if function is used in an Excel worksheet.